Alright, what's going on, everyone? We're back down here at the shop yet again because we are going to be making some more lures this time. I have a 3D printed Crawdad lure. Should be pretty simple. Just, heat up some plastic, pour it in, wait for it to cool, and then hopefully some of them will turn out good, and hopefully we can catch a fish. I don't know. It's a pretty big Crawdad, to be honest, but let's get right into doing that. Right now, and so while I wait for that to cool down, I'm gonna start mixing some purple, and we're gonna do some, purple on the bottom, green on the tops type stuff. So. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 little drops in there. Should be good enough. Alrighty now, so got the plastisol ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the first layer. Okay, purple's all done. Give it a stir. Alright, so she should be ready to unmold now. I got a Tupperware of water, cold water, that you throw it right in, so let's see, maybe. That's out. All right, that actually looks decently well so far. It's still a little sticky. Let's throw it in the water. But got the green top and then the purple appendages and belly. So yeah, that looks pretty good. And it floats, apparently. We're gonna go ahead and pour a different color. This time it's gonna be, green pumpkin on the bottom again, but orange. No, green pumpkin on the top. So green pumpkin first, which would be the top, and then orange on the bottom, which would be orange second. Alrighty, so we went ahead and poured some glitter in there. This is just iridescent glitter, I think it's called. Yeah, iridescent. So it turns into like blue and green, light blue and light green, basically. Really sparkly, as you can see. Then we're gonna pop it back in the microwave for about 15 seconds, and then she'll be good to pour. There we go. Okay, this one dried way quicker. It's only about 10 minutes. Poked it, it's pretty solid, so. Ridges and stuff that aren't supposed to be there because of the way that 3D printer is, but that's fine. As long as you get a bait that works fine, it will still catch fish. And I believe that this one will do it. Oh, yeah, that looks good, if you ask me. That looks real good. So that's what we ended up getting. A little bit of orange action. So we'll go ahead, throw that in the pot of water, let it cool for a bit, and then, yeah. All right, so now we're gonna make scent, and what we're gonna use is some instant coffee. I got warm water, and then garlic salt, or just garlic powder and salt, but I had garlic salt, so that'll work. And I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, I'm just gonna throw it in there. Like that. And then we have barely any left, so I'm just gonna throw that. We're just gonna add more coffee. All right, and there we go. It smells like garlic coffee, just a little bit of garlic, but that should work perfectly fine. Oh, perfect. Woo. Oh my goodness. Holy shit, did he choke it. Look at that, about a pounder, not bad. Pound and a half, I would say. Let's get this lure out of the way. Toss it right back up in there, and boom, he hit it immediately. It's a pretty good fish. Actually, that might be two. You know what? I'll be back. I'm gonna grab the scale. £1 pound, 3 ounces. Just about what I thought. I said 1 to 1.5, so, you know. Let's get this release on video. Beautiful. Whew. He just straight up came out of the water and basically hit it top water. That was crazy shit. Really hope I got that on video. Oh, I got something. Oh! It was weird. These fish are too smart. He ran right to me and went under the bridge. It was so weird. I was like, do I even have anything? And he got off. Okay, so guys, I rigged up the orange and green crawl. This one didn't come out very well, but that's fine. I like the colors. It's a little bit rough right here, but whatever. On the bottom it looks pretty cool, but we got a little bit of a different rig though. I was really not casting that well, so I ended up just doing a bullet weight with a bead instead of the clacker, bead clacker. So, you know, hopefully this will cast a little better. Oh, and I got the drip on. Got the fish flops going. So you know what it is, boy. The fire's going in the background. Let's see it. Yeah, that's much better. All right, guys, so broke off on that. I went up and got some dinner, and now we're gonna try out the purple black crawdad to finish the video off on the neighbor's side of the pond. Well, it just lost a claw, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go change to the black one. So, neighbor just told me I can't fish on his side. I wish I would have got it on video, but I didn't because I left my phone all the way over there, and I was right here, like at that little end right there, so didn't get it on video. But so that right there is the property line. I can more than cast. See that? I'm on my side.
Throwing it on my side.
Yeah, just a little. I mean,
Stop them fucking with me.
okay.
Fish your side. Lay up on it.
Okay. I mean,
Ain't nothing to say.
I'm on my property.
Fishing in my pond.
Well, yeah, I can cast, but.
No, it's not half. Everything on this side is mine.
Oh, no, I was saying I can cast over to it. Like, I'm not on your property, but.
No, you can't.
Can't? Okay.
I'll talk to the sheriff. I can go that way.
Okay, I figured you just wanted me off the property, not,
No, I don't want you fishing in my side of the pond.
Okay, got it.
This is the last time I'm telling you.
Okay. Got it. Okay, I got it on video that time. That time was a lot better. Yeah, apparently I can't cast over to his side, which is bullshit, but I don't care. Fishing isn't good. I'll probably cast a few right here, and then maybe a few more under the trees and whatnot, and then just be done. So, yeah, let's go ahead. That's gonna make some great clickbait though, I'll tell you what. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Definitely interesting. Caught one fish and another one got off, but that's okay. Not much expected. I didn't expect too much from that. It printed pretty badly. There's a lot of bumps and whatnot in it, but yeah, so basically, also some context behind my neighbor being a dick. You know, I was there earlier testing, like right before he came out and yelled at me once, because I was quite literally a foot over the property line testing the lure in the water, because there's a deep little pool right there that's technically his, but I don't know why the hell he cared so much. Anyway, it's stupid. So I backed up to my property line and I could still cast over it, but apparently I'm not allowed to cast onto his property, onto his side of the pond, I guess. I don't know why it matters at all. And it's not like I've done this before. That's like the first time he's ever came out and he yelled at me, and he's like sitting there talking about, I'm sick of this. Sick of what? I haven't ever really done it before. The most I've ever done was tried, tested out some lures in that little area right there to see the action of it. And then I don't go over to his side of the pond. I did whenever we first moved in here, because, I got permission from him a couple of times. Because, like, whenever we first moved in here, he was like, just text me and whatnot. And you can go over to my side of the pond. So I've done that a couple times, but that was like a few years ago. And apparently he changed his mind on that, so I've stopped going over there since. And now apparently if I'm half a foot over the property line, I'm going to get shot on sight, or the cops are going to be called, or some stupid shit. But that's okay. But if you guys did enjoy the video, I would really appreciate any support. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be posting a couple more videos. There's going to be a upload, not really an upload schedule, but I'm going to be posting a video once a week. I just enjoy doing this stuff, even though nobody really watches it. It's just fun, something to do. So thank you guys for all the support, the little support I do have. Thank you for it, and see you guys in the next video.